All right, guys, we got something big. It's a 25-foot lift, and it fits the whole lift. 2017 Ram 2500 heavy duty with a turbo Cummins diesel. So he brought it in, like he named it Beef, and it is beefy, beef. 4-door quad cab, huge. So he brought it in. This was all done to it. We didn't do anything. Turbo back, 5-inch system. As you guys can see, look at this thing. That is insane. A whole 5-inch system all the way back over the rear end. And then he just brought us this thing. He didn't like the metal look, so he found it from different trends. A tailpipe tip kind of thing. It's the biggest tip we've installed, longest tip we've installed. We've installed 10-inch tips, but it's a 5-inch to 6-inch. It has a reducer that goes over 5-inch into a 6-inch. Just gives it a really clean chrome look, as you guys can see there. So he wanted it installed, so we just installed it. But we didn't touch anything up there because it's all been deleted, so we didn't touch any of it, as you guys can see there. Dodge Laramie 2500 Bighorn. Listen to this thing. Sounds like a freaking jet. Beautiful. I'm telling you guys how much I have to back up because the truck is so massive. It's ready to eat anything. Sounds like a roaring lion. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. There's Big Beef. That's what we're gonna call it. Big Beef. Look at this sucker. It's huge. That's what she said. Haha. Anyways. Full straight pipe, 5-inch into a 6-inch tip. Beast mode out of a diesel.